Alright, we got the Girsan MC9T. We're going to disassemble and reassemble. Magazine is clear, nothing in the chamber. Alright, we've already got the slide lock back. Now if you see how the slide locks, most of you know how, but those that don't, you've got this little notch in your slide, and this is your slide lock. So you just push this up. So I'm going to release it. If you can see the little notch right here, it's going to ride back. Push that up and it locks. Alright, so now this is the release, the slide release right here. So we're actually going to pull it clockwise. We're going to pull it straight down. When we got it straight down, we're going to release the slide. So I'm going to do it nice and easy. Release the slide off. Now the trigger is going to have to be pulled. And that slide comes right off. Now this is fully disassembled for cleaning. We'll set the frame to the side. And to take the rod and spring out, what we're going to do is we're going to push the rod forward, pull it up, and pull it out. So it's going to look something like this. Forward, keep a good tension on it, up, and then just kind of wiggle it out. The barrel, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to push, wiggle it forward, pull it up, and pull it out. So it's going to go forward, up, wiggle, wiggle, and come out. Now that is completely disassembled. It's ready to clean. It's good to go. So now you can go clean it. You can come back and watch the second part of reassembling it. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks. Alright, we're going to put the slide back together. Now we're going to take the barrel. Now you've got to get this barrel straight in line with the longer slots down in here. So we've got to get it straight in line. If you don't, you're going to have to start over because it will not go. So go at a real good angle and then put it in. And then when you get it in, pull it back till it seats. Now, we're going to try to look at this little, that little notch. You see the little notch right down in there? That's where our rod is going to sit down in at. So we're going to take the small end, not the large flat end, but the small end. It's got a little taper off of it. We're going to put it down first, down through the spring and rod hole. And then we're just going to put a little tension on it. Push forward and seat it down in that little beveled piece. And that is correctly assembled for the slide. Now to put the slide back on, this is one you're going to have to watch out for because this one's bad about kicking back as you push it. So you're going to have to like hold that, your little release right here, you're going to have to hold it forward while you assemble it. And we're going to take the little notches right there on both sides. And we're going to line them up and send the little wings right here down in there. So we're going to go here. I'm going to send that in. I'm going to hold my piece there forward as I rack it back. I'm going to lock the slide back. Then I'm going to send it counterclockwise and it just snaps into place just like that. So now I'm going to pull. And it's good to go. Alright, so this is the Girsan MC9T, complete disassembly and reassembly.